So another thing that we're going to look at is we are going to identify conditional statements when we have a biconditional. So remember, a biconditional has that if and only if. So we've got two statements that could happen. So the first one, I like to take everything that's in front and I like to just label that one red, and then everything in the back I label blue. So I start with the red one and I say if I am alive, separated by a comma and throw a then in front, I am breathing. Which that makes sense, because if you're alive, hopefully you're breathing. Now I got to do it the other way, and I got to start with the blue. So if I am breathing, then I am alive. Both seem to be pretty good. Just a tip here, what I do is I just always make sure that my if goes first, and then my then comes directly after my comma. I choose one of the chunks to come first right here, and the other chunk to go second. And that's how I go ahead and write conditional statements from biconditionals.